Hello and welcome to the 28th tutorial on how to program in Gscript2. In the last tutorial I showed you a bit about classes and how you can drop them down as NPCs from weapons or other NPCs. And in this tutorial I want to continue teaching about classes and how to use them. So let's open our level editor and drop down a new NPC. Let's put client side and then put function on created set image fire.gif, which is an image that everyone has, but it doesn't look very good, so I don't think you should use it. Don't block, and then on timeout, function on timeout, set timer 0.5. Nope, 0.05. We don't want it to be that slow. Okay, in this code, let's make this a fire script. And what the fire script is going to do is when you get too close to it, it's going to hurt you. Okay, let's do some math. Temp.a is equal to this.x minus player.x. What this line of code is going to do, it's going to find the distance on the x coordinate between you and the NPC, and then put temp.b is equal to this.y minus player.y. And what that's going to do, it's going to find the distance between you and the NPC on the y-axis. Then let's put one more line. Temp.c is equal to parentheses a times a plus b times b. Then to the square root, to the power of 0.5, which is also the square root of 2. Or you just square root it. So this is going to find the distance in tiles between you and the NPC. It's called the Pythagorean theorem, I think, and you'll learn it in geometry. At least that's what I did. So let's put if c is less than 3. Actually, let's put this.chat is equal to c, just to see if it works. Save it and upload. So it's telling us the amount of distance between the NPC and us in tiles, but we don't really want all these numbers after the decimal point. So let's open the script and put int parentheses c. It's going to round it down to the nearest whole number. So now it's just going to say 9, 7, 1, however many tiles we are away from it. Let's open the script again and put if c is less than 3 and player.hp is greater than 0, because we don't want it to hurt you if you're already dead. Then player.hp is equal to player.hp minus 0.5. So your hearts are going to go down by half a heart each 0.5 seconds you're in it. So let's add a sleep delay. So when you get hurt, it takes 0.5 seconds and 0.05 seconds to make you get hurt again. Also, let's put set ani hurt, so it makes it look like you're hurt. Okay, let's close that and see if it works. So as you can see, it does hurt you. I just had my health pretty low, so that's why I died instantly. Let's go into it. My health's going down until I get out. You can go into the script and take out the chat part now. We don't need that. Now let's go to level editor and copy and paste this script, the NPC, multiple times. Let's save it and run it. Well, as you can see, they're everywhere now. Let's open the level editor again, and let's say we want to change one of the scripts. We want to change the distance from when you get hurt. Let's change it from 3 to 2, so you have to be closer to get hurt. Well, now we have to go through all the NPCs and change 3 to 2, 3 to 2. This is pretty annoying, especially when you have the NPCs in different levels, and you have to load the levels, and it's more than just one number that you want to change. There's an easier way to do this. Let's delete all the excess NPCs, then open the original NPC, copy everything. Then let's go to our RC in the scripts, open the classes part folder, and add a new class. Let's call it Hurt Fire. Okay. Then we're gonna paste this NPC script into here. Click apply. Okay. Now, in the level editor, we're gonna open the NPC, delete all this, and put function on created, then join, and then the name of the class, which was Hurt Fire. And that's it. All of the commands and functions from this script, this class, are now going to be in this level NPC. The same can be done for weapons and whatever. So we can copy this and put it everywhere we want. Then upload the level. As you can see, we have 4 NPCs here, and they all run the same class script. Okay, let's open the script again, and let's change the class script, and let's change the image from fire to fire SL, and apply. Fire SL is an image that I have. You may not have it, so you should probably use something else. And we are going to update the level by saying update level. And now all the NPCs update, and they have the new class script on them. We don't even have to open level editor and change the scripts. We have a join class here, and we just have to edit the class whenever we want to change it. This is really useful. Now, we don't have to just have join class. We can have some more scripts down here and other functions in the actual NPC. But if you want to just add the functions from this class, then that's how you do it. Keep in mind that when you're using join, it must be on server side, not client side. But in the actual class script, you may have the script under client side if you want to. Anyway, that concludes this tutorial, and I hope you understand how to join classes now into weapons and NPCs. Adding them into weapons is the same way as adding them into NPCs. Anyway, I will see you next time.